Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to apply for the UK Graduate Visa, PSW. To get started, open Google Chrome and search for Apply Graduate Visa UK. Click on the official gov.uk website from the search results. This visa allows you to remain in the UK for a minimum of 2 years after successfully completing your course. To apply, you'll need your confirmation of acceptance for studies CAS from your university and a valid passport. You'll also need to pay the visa application fee and the healthcare surcharge. Once you're ready, click Start. You'll then be asked to either create or sign in to your UK visas and immigration account. Next, fill in your personal details, provide your course information, and upload all required documents. After submitting your application and paying the fees, you will need to verify your identity. Identity verification can be completed using the UK Immigration ID Check app by scanning your passport or by booking an appointment at a visa application centre. After completing these steps, your application will be processed, and a decision is usually issued within 8 weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.